Ubak Prestone tensong usembut Menteri Rangba beripet je ketenat Kampo Ying bad ketenat District Council Affairs ke Sarkar Jela ulang. Bakarai penjalan Hynriew Bnai yak samoi traikam ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kedai rai ke Kongsan bha baki jaj Hynriew Garo kidai ban Kmen. Habakran sikilat pathai khubor hadin ke jingalang kenhun Menteri ke Sarkar MDA2 haka Hynriew teri ulber arjar Hynriew haka balasyam ya ketai ke rai ban penjalan ya ke samoi traikam GHADC nadu ke khat pratari uyayong arjar Hynriew hadu ke khat pratari risau arjar Hynriew ubak Prestone tensong ulang bakan pli ke lat baka GHADC haka Executive Committee baru Chief Executive Member bertemai kan yo ya thirsani bha halor kamat badam sya ya ki bar jela na kabayashim banta ni punya kun election MDC syakatai ke Autonomous District Council. Kumban syukudau baki election MDC sya GHADC labo ban penlong haka sepau terik yoyong arja Hynriew Hynriew haka jing yat ke jing tap kerteng na ke benta katai ke election lami ke jing kanat snam ke balong na ke jing dom ki bom dei riulom ya ke jing bom sya tap kerteng ya ki kertong bom dei riulom men haka khandai terik ulber arja Hynriew.
I think people of Garo Hill should be happy the decision taken by the government today. The decision taken by the cabinet, it is a landmark decision we taken today. Why we have taken this decision? Number one, why government has to postpone the election? It's because of the law and order. Why law and order comes in? It's because of the aspiration of the people. They are against the participation of the non-tribal in the house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Therefore, the decision we taken today, let me tell you one thing, I think all residents of Garo Hills should be happy because why? Within 3 months' time again, and with the new EC, with the new CM, they will get the opportunity of flagging off all these concerns. And within 6 months' time, we have time to ultimately accommodate or to do the necessary amendment, whatever arises.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba Kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.